SOND stock analysis and SOND stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, what I'll be breaking down is my exact play with Sonder holdings, already sitting at $2.29 with a 41% increase towards the upside. The only thing that I care about, mate, is, taking advantage of this and making it right. Not saying that every single thing must be traded, but I'm the only guy in the space has done 42,000 videos, documented them all, and it's taken me 5 years to come to this point. So how this will look like is very simple. Zooming out, this is just, it's not that bullish, let's be honest. Here's the low. Unless I see the price giving me a double break or anything, there's no way I'm going to look to sell. Boom. Just like that. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. But Mr. Sicko, when is it, what about buying? Is it going to be a buy? Because it went 41% up, yeah, sure. But the only thing that will make me be bullish on this one is if there's breaks above $3 for some crazy catalyst, and we're not there yet. So, if you want to get the exclusive sauce that no one else has, take me 5 years to learn, risk-free, click the first link in the description. 1,200 people have gotten it. See you in the next one.